for those that are questioning it, yes, these ship with maritime frequencies programmed in. We have maritime, we got GMRS, MERS, some national interoperability frequencies, and then basically everything past channel 57, so 58 forward, are frequencies that'll be unique to your area. So in my case, I have channel 90. Oh yeah, so I got 90 channels. So I have 90 channels for the Norfolk area. It's VHF, UHF, 25 watt. I had somebody that purchased one tell me that they slung their N9 TAX Slim Jim up in the air on a 23-foot mast, and they were hitting a repeater that was 51 miles away. So impressive. You're not going to do that probably with the whip. It's just not how that works. But you know, for $39, $40, you get another antenna, which is actually this antenna. String that up in a tree, and you could be hitting repeaters quite a ways away. So this is going out soon. Basically all 5 of these, some extra rails, and then I have to go through and program 9, I believe, 9 radios. This is kind of how I stage them, and then I, you know, take them in and one by one go and find the goodies and put them on here. So we have our bags. I have multicam bags that are showing up tomorrow. My additional signal stick antenna showed up tonight, so that's sweet. We're in my doorstep, and then I have to make, let's see, I have 5, so I need 4 more sets of rails, and somehow managed to print on the same side 3 times. Yeah. So in the meantime, I'm gonna sit in front of my AC unit, which isn't doing a whole lot because this place is not insulated, and build out some kits, some stuff that I need for these. So thanks for hanging out if you made it this long. If you want a Manpack, it's going to be coming hopefully by the end of the month, because the 9 radios that are on my table are the last
Saturday night,
9 that
thunderstorms,
I need to program.
showers, lows in the lower 60s.
So yeah, that's where we're at. I'm going to do another batch of orders, slots of orders. I don't know how many yet. This was a bit overwhelming, but seems like everybody that's been receiving their packs loves them, so I'm very thankful for the feedback. If you got one, please drop a comment in this video, and yeah, Instagram's the only place I'm taking orders, and not on a website, because I don't have one. So I appreciate your guys' support, and to the Buy Me a Coffee group, you guys are amazing, and it's very I was very surprised at the amount of support that I've received from the community, so thank you guys. Have a good night.